Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Charger oil light. First, ensure your engine is off and the vehicle is parked safely. This guide will walk you through two common methods to clear the oil change reminder. It's a straightforward process that typically takes less than 1 minute to complete. Keeping up with this simple maintenance helps ensure your Charger runs smoothly for many thousands of miles. For the accelerator pedal method, begin by turning your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, slowly and fully press the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within a 10-second window. After the third press, turn the ignition completely off. Then, restart your engine to verify that the oil change light has successfully reset and is no longer illuminated. If your Dodge Charger has steering wheel controls, this method might be for you. Start by turning your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate to the vehicle info menu on your instrument cluster display. Scroll down to find Oil Life and then press the OK or Reset button to confirm the reset. Remember, resetting the oil light should always follow an actual oil and filter change. If the light remains on after trying both methods, it could indicate a more serious issue. In such cases, it's best to consult your Dodge Charger's owner's manual or have a qualified mechanic inspect your vehicle. Proper maintenance ensures your Charger performs optimally for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.